people love to drive by and see it being filled. I mean, that's a part of summer. So this project came about because this area was always used as a baby pool, and it was just it was run down, it hadn't been used for years. So we thought a splash pad area would be fantastic to use for this area. And then we also decided, like, hey, why not make it a zero entry pool? Make it a little bit more fun. We had spray features involved with it, bucket, as you can see over there, the buckets will splash down on all the kids as they play, and we just thought it would be really cool to add this playhouse slide on there too. We wanted to add more family fun for the little kids and everyone to enjoy. Thankfully, with this grant opportunity, it helped really push forward this project. Otherwise, I don't know where we would be without it. We had a lot of community fundraising going on. The park board actually did this initiative of doing a flamingo flock your yard flamingos, where they put flamingos in people's yards and they had to pay to get them out. And it just kind of rotated over the whole town, and it was really a fun community fundraiser. Our main pool, we actually had funding from Land Water Conservation Fund, and so it was kind of a phase project. That was phase 1, and phase 2 was to get this going. So we've had 2 grant rounds. We have been so fortunate to have that. We have birthday parties, we have lap swimming, women's aerobics. We almost do it all here. It's fantastic. We have a great group of kids that work here and adults too. We get a good crowd, actually, not just from Lakota, it's Nelson County wide, and even some individuals from Devil's Lake come over. So we really get a lot of people coming in here, not just locals. We're the only pool in Nelson County, actually. So this is a huge asset for our whole county and community. As you can see, this area actually got expanded to what it was before, and now we concreted out even more, so we have a huge deck area, so there'll be more tables and chairs here that they can utilize. You can see the drop-off point. They recommended the pad, and that's a permanent pad, so it's a great landing spot for these little ones. You can walk all the way down to 1.5 feet down of water play, so they'll be standing right below the buckets and get splashed. Right there on the floor part, that then will bubble up and just kind of add a little feature. The main pool over here, the pump system is that building right there, and we couldn't use that space. So we had to extend our water deck and then add this door area to put it all in there. Because usually inside of there, it was just all storage for picnic tables and everything like that. So they had to, our city guys actually kind of built out a little room, little cubby area. So now all our pump stuff is here. They will eventually build like kind of a wall so it's completely secured off from the storage. We got a lot of things going on in Lakota, but this is one of our biggest assets here. I think it's a big pride that we have with it, and it's going to be fun to see a lot more kids come into our town and utilize all the services, not just the pool, but when you get them into town, they start using everything.